Hey, Chillie here with Chillie's Cruises with a little update on an extremely dangerous storm in the northwestern Pacific called Typhoon Hagibis. My pronunciation might be wrong on that. But anyway, I touched on it briefly this morning. I couldn't find the story when I was on my live broadcast. And there's been some updates, so I thought I'd bring them on to you. Extremely dangerous storm in the northwestern Pacific Ocean has exploded in intensity in the last 24 hours, wrapping up from a tropical storm to a super typhoon with 160 mile an hour winds in less than a day. As forecasters warn, the storm may impact Japan by the weekend. Super Typhoon Hagibis is located 400 miles northwest of Guam. As of actually Wednesday morning out there, just a little while ago, moving at the northwest at 13 miles an hour. The storm has maximum sustained winds of 155 miles per hour with gusts to 189. Hagibis is forecast to maintain this intensity through Wednesday, then begin a gradual weakening trend, according to the National Weather Service. Colorado State University hurricane research scientist Phil Glotzbach said on Twitter that Hagibis intensified by 90 miles per hour in just 18 hours. Hagibis is forecast to make a turn to the north toward Japan and make a possible brush near Tokyo by the weekend. Hagibis is expected to come very close to the western and eastern shores of Japan before moving toward northern Japan on Saturday and into Sunday. The storm's potential arrival comes as two high-profile sporting events are set to take place this weekend in Japan. The Rugby World Cup has 6 scheduled matches on Saturday and Sunday when the worst of the storm is forecast. Any games that are canceled in the World Cup because of the weather are recorded as scoreless draws. That doesn't seem fair. That's according to BBC. And also, the Japanese Grand Prix is scheduled to take place in Suzuka on Sunday afternoon. So those things are all up in question, as this is a massive, massive storm, very similar in scope to Hurricane Dorian that we had in our part of the world that did so much damage in the Bahamas. But anyway, it's aimed at Japan for the weekend. So you folks watch it very closely and stay safe. We'll talk to you soon. I regularly post videos on all facets of the travel and cruise industry, including weather. So if you'd like to keep up with the latest in cruise ships, ports of call, cruises themselves, we also have our 3 live broadcasts of travel and cruise industry news on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday mornings at 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If you'd like to keep up with any of those, just hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. And as always, we'd appreciate a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. You guys over there toward Japan, stay safe. We'll have an update on this storm and other news on Thursday morning at 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For now, this is Chillie, the Fat Travel Guide. Later, y'all.